everyone, today we're going to be looking at how to grip tape a skateboard. If you want to see more how-tos, please subscribe because we got more on the way. You need to put new grip tape on your board, either when the grip tape has already worn away, as was the case with my board, or when you have a new deck. For the first category, to get the old grip tape up, what you're going to want to do is use a hairdryer and blow the hot air along the sides of the board, slowly peeling up the grip tape as you go. For the second case, when you have a new deck, make sure you grip tape the board when the trucks aren't on the board. Now let's get started. Peel the non-stick side of the new grip tape off. Then put the sticky side onto your skateboard. Leaving extra grip tape on all four corners, start at the nose or tail and slowly make your way to the other end. Evenly press down on the grip tape to prevent creases or bubbles. Take the non-stick side from before and place it over the grip tape. This helps us smooth out the grip tape and make sure it sticks to the board firmly without unnecessarily scratching our hands. In combination with that, you can take something round to roll over it too. We used an ab roller and it did help a little bit. After you make sure all of the grip tape is stuck on the board, make an outline that'll keep the grip tape sticking to your edges. Take a round metal rod or screwdriver and grind it along the edges of your skateboard. Do that until you see a white outline. This outline will also be our guide for cutting the grip tape. With an X-Acto knife or box cutter, cut along the outline you just made. To smooth out the edges, use sandpaper or a sand block. If you want to ensure that your grip tape won't peel off, you can do another pass with your metal rod or screwdriver along the edges. Now you're ready to go skateboarding. For your safety, be sure to wear protective padding. It sure saved us when we wiped out. Now that your board is fully grip taped, I hope you guys have fun skating around. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe because we got more how-tos on the way. Thank you guys for watching.